Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to make a demonstration of my new project. It's called IR remote control robot using the Tinybit and using the what is it called Microbit. So here you got a preview of the what is this called, the codes. So you use the like the line follower, you use the tiny bit extension. And if you guys want to make this at home or anywhere you're at currently, you guys can download this. No, not download. You guys can screenshot this part of the video. Uh, and if you have a screenshot, now I'm going to continue to download the file into my microbit. Okay, so let's download, and I don't have any internet. Wait. All right, so I have already downloaded the file here. So the next thing to do is just to connect the microbit to the tiny bit. Yeah, like this. Wait, no. Here, there, and turn this on. And now for the demo, I'm going to for the demo. So now we have this tiny bit and the micro bit, and here is the remote control. So if you press this button, it will go forward, as you guys can see. So yeah, it's basically a remote control thing. So it can go forward, it can go backwards, sideways, uh, right, like that. And maybe that's it. So that's all from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.